Okay, so when I make my DIY press-on nail kits, any kits, when I'm putting it together with the things that I have gathered, the supplies that I've gathered, I always refer to my DIY manicure nail care ebook that people can get. Yeah, and so I can send you the offer, or if you happen to be on any of my social media platforms and you see the advertisement, yeah, definitely check that offer out. But I'm on the DIY press on nail chapter right now, and so you see all of these right here, everything that comes with the kits, and then you even have the DIY press on nail steps that you can use as a guide. You don't necessarily have to follow this, but this is suggested, and to get accurate results, the results that you want. And I'm offering my DIY nail care tips and expertise as a licensed nail tech, not just a random DIYer from off the internet, who just happen to, do this for a hobby. I'm giving you straight tips from off the knowledge of my nail tech education and instructor education. Yeah, so I wanted to share with you that this is the file and buffer pack that you get. So you get the file, you get this file right here, you get this file, you get two files. You get a coarse file, which is 180 grit. Use this on the press on nail itself, to rough it up or whatever, not on your natural nails. But you do get a medium abrasive, which is 180 and 200. You can use this on your natural nails to shape. The steps are in here. You get a nail brush to clean your nail plate off when you're dusting. Buffers, a couple of orange wood sticks, which is for you to push back your cuticles. You get these little ponds here, which is similar to this. These ponds are the little pieces that sticks to the nail stand, so that if you wanted to design your press-on nails without having to put them on first. And these are some long press-on nails that I'm starting on. I polished them and let them dry, and then I'll probably figure out what I want to do for design wise. Yeah, so you come with these little pieces right here, and these are the two nail stands, because you get 10. You got 10 fingers, so you got 10 pieces that come with it. And so you can do 10, you can prep your 10 press-on nails at a time. And you're also going to get a pretty case. This is an example of a case that I brought my Juneteenth inspired press-on nail set last year. And most times when people who sell press-ons, they put them in a nice little case like this. And so these were the leftovers then that I have, if I ever lose any of these or whatever. But when I'm ready to take these off safely, I don't have to throw them away. I can just take them off and put them back in the box. And this actually has a little strip, a little adhesive strip, so that they won't be moving all around. But even if you just put your nails in a box with a lid, that all of your press-on nails are in there, so you can use them for a later use. Oh, all right, that's it. Let me put this little cotton back right here. Thank y'all.